Hello there, just wanted to do a really basic tutorial on cameras in After Effects. Obviously you can get really complex with cameras and there's a lot you can do, but I think this is the simplest, most basic way to teach you how to get the concept of how it works. So let's get started. We have our 3 layers here, 1, 2, 3, and the first thing you do is you go to Layer, New, Camera. Click on that. There's a bunch of settings here. Ignore it. Just click OK. And you see your camera here. The second thing you want to make sure you have done with everything you use a camera with is click on this little cube here for all the layers. I'll click on all the cubes here. Essentially, the cube means that the layers can move within Z space, which is the equivalent of 3D space in After Effects. X is left and right. Y is up and down. Z space is the 3D space in After Effects. In any case, let me show you how this goes. I'll select all the layers here, arrow down, and then I'll click on orientation. You see orientation here? If I take out this cube here, orientation disappears. Why? Because that's the equivalent of the 3D enabler in After Effects for this layer. So I'll click on just this layer here. This is on the number 1, and I'll move it like so. So it's barely to where you can't see it on the screen. I'll leave layer 2 as it is, and layer 3, I'll go to orientation as well, and I'll bring it down like this, and then, I don't know, move it up on the position of Z space up a little bit. So let's go to the camera and find out what it does. You arrow down here, click on transform, and then you go here to the beginning of your playhead or whenever you want the animation to start, and the best way to do it is to click on all the keyframe icons. That way whatever you change, it will be logged in with the camera how it is now and how it's going to be later. So now we'll press the letter C, switch the camera up here, and there's 4 types of camera: unified and orbit, which they pretty much do the exact same thing. Track XY goes left and right, up and down, and track Z kind of zooms in and zooms out.